When it comes to buying a homestead, there are plenty of things to consider before diving in. And while there are a lot of real estate property management tools out there, if you're serious about making your investment work, you'll want to know the ins and outs before you make a move. Today, we're going to talk about 12 essential things you need to know before buying a homestead, especially when considering software to manage your property investments. First off, you need to evaluate your budget. A homestead can be a long-term investment, so understanding your financial boundaries is crucial. Many property management software options offer basic tools for budgeting and tracking expenses, but not all are intuitive or flexible. Make sure the software you choose supports your financial goals, unlike some competitors that lock you into rigid plans. Next thing, location is everything. Whether you're managing one property or several, location affects everything from rent prices to long-term value. Look for software that offers market data and insights. Some platforms, like Homestead, integrate with data providers, but other options can leave you without these key insights. The third thing to keep in mind is property maintenance. No matter how well you plan, things break down. A property management tool should allow you to easily schedule repairs, track maintenance costs, and communicate with contractors. Some solutions might require multiple apps to manage these tasks, whereas Homestead keeps everything in one place, making your life simpler. Next thing, the tenant experience. Good software should allow tenants to easily pay rent, submit maintenance requests, and communicate with you. Some tools may limit tenant interaction to a basic portal, but Homestead focuses on delivering a seamless experience for tenants, which in turn helps reduce vacancies and late payments. The fifth thing you need to think about is compliance with local laws. Rental laws vary widely, and they can change at any time. Look for software that keeps you updated on these changes. Homestead stands out because it integrates legal updates and resources, unlike other platforms that might leave you scrambling to stay informed. Next, let's talk about automation. The more you can automate, the better. A good property management software will automatically calculate rent, manage leases, and even send reminders to tenants. Many tools provide automation, but Homestead's ability to handle everything from invoices to late fees without manual intervention is a game changer. The seventh thing is scalability. As your portfolio grows, so should your software. Some platforms can struggle as you add more properties. Homestead, however, is built to scale, handling everything from small portfolios to large real estate empires with ease. Next, integration is key. Your property management software needs to connect with other essential tools, accounting software, CRM systems, and marketing tools. Unlike competitors that may force you into proprietary ecosystems, Homestead offers a range of integrations with the tools you're already using, making it a more flexible option. The ninth thing you should look for is reporting. Accurate reporting is critical to making informed decisions. Homestead's intuitive dashboard gives you access to key data, helping you track performance across your portfolio with easy-to-read charts and graphs. Many competing platforms fall short here, requiring you to dig deep into spreadsheets or other clunky reporting systems. The 10th thing is security. Property data is sensitive, and you want your software to protect that information. Homestead offers top-tier security with encryption and regular backups. Competitors might only offer basic security features, leaving your data vulnerable. Next, customer support. When you're dealing with real estate, things don't always go according to plan. Homestead stands out for its 24/7 customer support, available through multiple channels. Many competitors may only provide email or business hours support, leaving you stuck when you need help the most. The 12th and final thing to consider is pricing. While some property management software options can be expensive and come with hidden fees, Homestead offers competitive pricing that's transparent, with no surprise charges. Be sure to compare this with others that may offer lower upfront prices, but then charge extra for essential features. Now, while Homestead checks all these boxes, it's important to find the solution that's best for your needs. If you're looking for a more specialized or advanced option, we have a recommendation that might work better for you, especially if you want to try it